Happy Valentine's Day, guys. Happy Valentine's Day. I was going to wait until Monday to start my vlog, but I said I might as well start it now. Today, I'm not doing much today, but I did my Valentine's Day gift. So I said, you know what, I'm going to open it up with you guys for Valentine's Day. I'm just peeping out the window. And I hope my videos don't be late this week because my internet is out, guys. My internet is out. Comcast came out and said they were going to fix it today. It went out yesterday. They're supposed to come and fix it today, and then they came today and said I need all new outdoor wiring, and I don't know why. So I'm without internet. You know, I have unlimited data on my phone, but I can't use my laptop. It's just annoying. No TV, no nothing. So I had lunch with Babe. He has to work today, so we're not doing dinner. We just did a cute little lunch. And yeah, that's about it for today, today is Valentine's Day, Sunday, February 14th. Valentine's Day lunch. Happy Valentine's Day, citizens. I hope y'all enjoy your lunch or your dinner. Hey, citizens. Welcome back to Life with Sid. Today is vlog day. We will be vlogging today, guys. I'm going to be taking you guys with me. I want to go to, we're going to do some home decor shopping. I started changing up my family room around Christmas time. I'm not sure if I even showed you guys like my family room, but it's like chocolate, red and cream. So now I just turned my throw pillows to creams, browns, and tans. So it's just basically just creams, browns, tans, whites, like that. So I'm looking for a few. I want a new vase. I used to have like a red vase, and it was like high, like two, one high, one like a medium size. So now I'm looking for like a white one or a clear one, and it will go over here in this corner. As you can see, I still have the presents. I actually have to wrap those and put them away, but I'm gonna probably put them over here in this corner by this little chair over here in this corner. And I want to put in there, I want to put pampas grass in there. If you guys know what it is, I'll pop a little picture right here. But I'm going to try to find that, and I want a cute either white or like a cream color or clear, like glass, that I could put in the corner. So I'm going to go to AtHome, and we're going to go to AtHome, HomeGoods, TJ Maxx, and I think I got to get the pampas grass from Hobby Lobby. Yes. So that's what we'll be doing today. And I think that's about it. I think that's what's on the agenda for today. And maybe grab some lunch with Babe if he's off. I'm not sure. He's not 100% sure if he's off. Oh, I know what else I got to get. I have to get, I want to get some, the fake candles with the little, the flicker. You put this battery operated candles to put in my lanterns. So I have to pick some of those up as well. I'm looking for like really big ones because I have like really big lanterns by my front door. So I will check in with you guys once I get. The first stop is going to be AtHome, and it's going to be my first time going to AtHome. It's probably like maybe a half an hour away from my house. So I will check you guys at AtHome. So here's today's look, guys. I'm just carrying my Louis Vuitton multi-pochette two-piece set from Zora. It's like a little chocolate color set, and my mocha ones. Yes, this is today's look. Okay, so at home didn't have exactly what I wanted, so now I'm going to go to HomeGoods and then probably grab some lunch. So HomeGoods is our next stop. So HomeGoods let me down today. So I'm gonna go on Hobby Lobby and see if I can find what I'm looking for. If not, then I'm gonna go to another HomeGoods. All right, wish me luck. So Hobby Lobby didn't have anything, but now I'm in curtains. And I like this, but they only have one. And I like this one too, but this looks black or purple. I mean, I see brown. I think I see brown because I want to see brown, but I really can't tell. I don't know, guys. I hope I don't have to buy all four to see which one I like once I get it home. Alright, I'm gonna look around some more and see what else they have. Okay, y'all. So yesterday, of course, it's the next day. I was not able to find my pampas grass, so or a nice vase that I liked. So I don't. I didn't get a chance to get it. I don't know what to do. So I didn't get my pampas grass yesterday. Couldn't find a vase that I like. So I'm gonna just have to order everything on I seen some stuff on Wayfair, Amazon. So I'm gonna just have to order offline. So I wanted to come on here and close this vlog because I didn't get my stuff, guys. It didn't go the way I wanted it to. I did pick up a few things. I picked up from AtHome. I got a really cute coffee mug. Coffee mug. Well, not for coffee. It's for my hot cocoa because I don't drink coffee. So it's just black and white. It says, "This is on it." And it's a wide rim for my hot cocoa and whipped cream. And then I got a little canvas. This says, "In order to be irreplaceable, one must be unique," and that is Coco Chanel. So I think I'm gonna hang this in my closet, right over top of my roses. I think that would be super cute. So before I close out this vlog, I'm going to unbox my Valentine's Day gift with you guys. It came. It's been here since Valentine's Day was on Sunday. I think it came on Monday. I was supposed to unbox it, but I don't know what happened. I got like a little busy. I'm just trying to find a good place to sit. Hold on while I get the scissors. This is why I want to get my pampas grass, because I want to put it at a vase right here, have the grass nice and high right here, and I just think it would look so cute. So we are unboxing one of my Valentine's Day gifts that it came on. When did it come on? Valentine's Day was on Sunday. I think it came like the very next day. So yeah, I was supposed to unbox it on Monday, but I don't know. I got busy. I don't know what I was doing. So let's open it up and see what it is. Guys, here it is. The Balenciaga logo sweater. And this is the one I wanted because I seen it was like two different versions of this sweater. One had like elastic around the not the waist because it's long, at the bottom and on the sleeves, and I didn't want that one. I want the one that was like straight down and the sleeves were like straight down, and that's what they've got me. Oh, he got this from Neiman. Oh, this is too cute. This is a small, what size is this? It looks kind of big. I know this stuff is oversized. This is a small. Oh, wow. So this is one of my items off of my wish list. It is the Balenciaga logo all over sweater. Cardigan sweater. It's super, super cute. Oh, I probably will be wearing this really soon. So cute, guys. I love it. Thank you, babe. Okay, guys, that is it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it's long enough for you guys, and I'm thinking maybe I'll do another vlog before the week is out because I wanted to do an unboxing video for you guys, but an item I ordered did not come in, so I'm gonna wait until I get this item. They said maybe about 10 to 14 days, and so I think I'm gonna probably put out another vlog this weekend. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and don't forget, hit that subscribe button, that bell notification, so every time I upload a video you can be notified. Until the next time, Sid signing off. Peace.